Your car runs fine, it starts fine, every time. Unless you just got gas. Won't start, runs like crap, and then everything's good again. Let's fix it. That was nice. You see that? Yeah, buddy. Ooh, he's getting on it too. Woo! Let's fix it.
You know it's hard out here for a pill. When he tryna get this money for the real. For the Cadillacs and gas money spent. Cause a whole lot of bitches talking shit. You know it's hard out here for a pill.
Check it out, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to the gas station. I'm gonna show you exactly what it does. That way you can see if you have the same symptoms. Then I'll show you the part that I'm gonna use to fix it, where to get it. Then I'm gonna start the install. After the install, we'll go back to the gas station, try to fill it up, see if it happens again. Before I get gas, check it out. I need gas. It was on full every single time I've started it. It's ran absolutely perfect. And I'll show you right now. I'll go to start it. Starts like a dream. Starts right up. Now I'm gonna go put gas in it. You can see the miles right there. 583. Gonna go straight to get gas and it won't start. I usually try to do this at a pump where I'm not around people because it's really embarrassing. I'm gonna try to start it and it's just gonna die right away. Dead. Just so you know, I did try to start that if you couldn't hear. Now I'll start it again and it'll just crank and crank and crank. I'll try to feather on the gas. Cranking, cranking. Now it's gonna fight the RPMs. The RPMs are gonna fall down. They won't, I've got my foot on the gas. It's shaking real bad. Once it starts to finally idle, I'll put it in the gear and I'll try to hop into, there we go. Now she's running. And she's idling real bad, wanting to die again. But after about 10-15 seconds, this mellows out. And then for the rest of the tank of gas, she's good to go. Here's your part, the vapor canister purge. Now let me show you where it's at. Just take a couple minutes, fix your problem. The top of the motor right there is our part that we want to replace. For once, it is easy, accessible. Seems like everything's always such a bear. All right, it's a go. Let's get her on. Pull out this one. You gotta remove this clip here up. It'll let you slide it out. Push this in, pull this one out. Then that all sits on a little bracket right there. There's the old one. What do we say about broken parts again? Get it out of here! Get it out of here! All right, reverse install. Just a clip down. New part is installed. It took about 5 minutes, I guess. You might have a little tough time pulling these things off because they get kind of seated on there. Let's go try her out. On my way to the gas station. See if this thing works. And we're finally fixed. Gassed up. Just a big test. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. She's back. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Ignore the check engine light. That's for the thermostat. I gotta put that in there. Yeah, perfect. Woo! Baby back ribs. That is all I have for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this video helps at least one person out there. Remember to subscribe so you get links to my future videos. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.
In my eyes, I done seen some crazy things in the street. Got a couple hoes working on the chain just for me. But I gotta keep my game tight like Kobe on game night. Like taking from a hold on